Good day everyone, my name is Jordan Maniego Oslo and I'm discussing the balancing chemical equation. What is balancing chemical equation? It's an equation where the atoms of each type and the reaction is the same on both reactant and product side. And all we need to do is to balance. This is what we call, this side is what we call reactant side. And this side is what we call product side. Now we know where is the reactant and the product side. This is what we call numerical coefficient. And this what we call atom. And this number 4 is what we call elements. And now we do the balancing. First step, put down the atoms. P for phosphorus and O for oxygen. Same on the other side. And the element of P is 4 and the oxygen is 2. On the other side, phosphorus is 2, oxygen is 2. First, let's balance the phosphorus and butangan na to ang numerical coefficient o 2 para mabalance sa reactant side. 2 times 2 equals 4. And now the product side is 4 and the reactant is 4. It means butangan na lang nato diri og 1 ang numerical coefficient. 1 times 4 equals 4. Now the phosphorus is equal or balanced na. Then let's go to the oxygen. 2 times 3 equals 6. Para mabalance naman din na to ang sa reactant side, butihan na to ang numerical coefficient of 3 para masing sila sa product side. 3 times 2 equals 6. And now, our chemical equation.
So, good day again everyone. So, I am Rodrigo de Resvilo, your performer number 2 for the example number 2 now. So, we have the example number 2 for balancing chemical equations. So, what will we do para mabalance siya nato? First, we need to list down all the atom for the reactant side and on the product side. So now let's do the balancing. First, we need to list down the atom for the reactant side. So we have the aluminum now, EL, and we have the H for hydrogen, and we have also the Cl for chlorine. Now let's put also the atom in the product side. So we have also the El. After that, we need also to put the element now. So we have the aluminum. So ang yung element namin is 1. So let's put the element 1 here. And for hydrogen, this one also. For chlorine, also we need to put 1 here. Actually, 1 we have. Now on the other side, first we need to put also the element for the product side. So we have is for 1. And hydrogen, we have element 2. And for chlorine, we have the element 3. So, what will we do para start na nila ang balancing? So first, we need to multiply the element for the hydrogen and the element for the chlorine. So, we have the element 2 and element 3. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So, we need to put the 6 here. No? Nakay ko numerical coefficient kasi dali. So now, we have the numerical coefficient for HCl. So, first, let's do the value of the hydrogen. No? Now, 1 times 6 is equals to 6. And also for the chlorine, 1 times 6 is equals to 6 also. So now that we have already the value for the hydrogen and for the chlorine, now let's go with the product side para mabalance siya na to. So unahon na to ang hydrogen. So as we all know that we have the value for the element for hydrogen is 2. Now ang atong himuon, we unsa ang atong himuon para ma-multiply ta, ma-equal sa 6, unsa ang numerical coefficient ang atong kinahanglan. So, ang ibutan natin ng numerical coefficient for the hydrogen is 3. So, we have the numerical coefficient here, 3 now. So, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So, now that we already balance the hydrogen now let's do the balancing for the Cl, for the chlorine. So, unsa nga numerical coefficient ang atong dapat i-put dire para mabalance ang for the 6. So, we need to put the numerical coefficient to here. Now, so 3 times 2 is equals to 6. So, naabot tayo EL, which is aluminum now. So, nag-put na dire numerical coefficient. So, apil lang siya dapat ang sa EL for aluminum. Now, also, we need to multiply the element 1 to the numerical coefficient 2. 1 times 2 is equals to 2. So, lapit na lang siya mabalance ito. Now, unsa ang atong himuon dapat dire for the aluminum para mabalance na di siya in the other side. So, unsa ang numerical coefficient ang atong i-put dire para mabalance sa EL sa aluminum dire. So, let's put the numerical coefficient 2. So, 1 times 2 is equals to 2. Now, the balancing or chemical equation, for example, number 2 is under that.
So good day everyone, I am Katie Plado to perform the example number 2. So these are our equation. So to balance the equation, we less down the atoms. The Na is sodium, P is phosphorus, the O is oxygen, Ca is the calcium, and Cl is chlorine. The other side, we put the atoms. So, to balance the equation, the second step is to put the elements. So, the elements of sodium is chlorine. And the phosphorus naman is 1. The oxygen is 4. The calcium, may invisible 1 din na siya dire. So, the calcium is 1. And also, the chlorine 1. So, the product side, we put the element 1. So, the sodium is 1. The chlorine is 1. And the calcium also 3. So, para makuha nato ang element na phosphorus, so may invisible 1 siya dire. So, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. So, ang oxygen naman, may 4 siya. So, i-times na to siya sa 2. So, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So, the third step is to balance. Ang una-una ito i-balance na to siya is ang oxygen. Kay ang oxygen ang ato ang pinakadako nga element. So, ang element sa oxygen is 4. So, 8 I mean. So, ang element sa reactant side is 4. So, para ma-8 ni siya, we times 2 sa numerical coefficient. So, 2. So, 4 times 2 is equal to 8. So, ang ato oxygen nga product side at reactant side is equal na. So, may numerical coefficient man diri sa iyahang side. Ang sodium madamay din siya. So 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is equal to 6. And the phosphorus naman, 2 times 1 is 2. Ang ato ang phosphorus na reactant side and the product side is balance na. And then, ato ang i-balance na po ani is ang sodium. So, ang reactant side na to is 6. Para mas 6 nga ato ang product side nga sodium, mumugutan ta diri og 6 po sa ato ang numerical coefficient. So, we put 6 diri. So, 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So, ang ato ang sodium nga reactant side and the product side is balance na. Yeah. So, may chlorine man siya diri. So, ang iyaha nga numerical coefficient is 6. So, 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So, to balance the calcium, to balance the chlorine, i-balance po nato diri ang reactant side. So, para mas 6 ang reactant side na to, we put 6 na numerical coefficient po. So, 6 times 1 or 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So, ang ato ang chlorine nga reactant sa nga product side is balance na. So, since nga na-diri ang calcium, so automatic may 6 din na siya. So, 1 times 6 is equal to 6. So, since ang ato ang calcium is 6, nga diri sa side nga product side, 6, then ato ang product side nga is 3. Para ma-6 siya, we put numerical coefficient nga 2. So, 2 times 3 or 3 times 2 is equal to 6. So, ang ato ang calcium nga reactant side and the product side is balanced na. So, our equation or our chemical equation is balanced.